Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're diving into the world of wearables with the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. Now, fitness trackers can be a dime a dozen these days, but this one caught my eye for a few reasons. So, let's see if the Watch Fit 3 lives up to the hype or if it's just another step tracker in a crowd. First impression, stylish. This watch isn't your bulky, clunky fitness tracker. It's got a sleek, rectangular design that feels lightweight and comfortable on my wrist. It comes in a variety of colors too, so you can definitely find one that matches your style. Display, clear and crisp, but not quite color crazy. The display is a decent size, a 1.82-inch AMOLED panel. It's bright and clear, perfect for checking notifications or tracking your workout data. One thing to note though, it's not a full-color display. It leans more towards a grayscale aesthetic, which some might find a bit basic compared to other trackers with vibrant color screens. Interface. Swipe right for a simpler life. But here's the thing, the interface is super user-friendly. Swiping right takes you through all the features: heart rate, sleep tracking, workouts, you name it. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech whiz. Fitness features. A workhorse, not a racehorse. Alright, let's talk fitness features. The Watch Fit 3 boasts over 100 workout modes, which is pretty impressive. Whether you're a runner, a cyclist, or a yoga enthusiast, you'll likely find a mode for your activity. I put it to the test with some height workouts and some outdoor running, and it tracked everything pretty well. The built-in GPS is a nice bonus, especially if you like to track your runs or walks without having to carry your phone. However, it's important to manage expectations. The Watch Fit 3 is more of a fitness companion than a high-performance tracker. The heart rate monitoring was a bit hit or miss during intense workouts, and some advanced metrics like VO2 max are missing. Battery life, the champion we all need now. Let's talk about the battery life, which is honestly the star of the show. Huawei claims up to 10 days on a single charge, and I can say it comes pretty darn close. Even with daily workouts and notifications on, I easily got a whole week out of it. No more daily charging anxiety, which is a huge win in my book. A stylish fitness companion, but not a feature powerhouse. So here's the deal. The HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 isn't going to blow away hardcore fitness enthusiasts with its features. But for someone who wants a stylish, comfortable tracker with decent tracking capabilities and amazing battery life, this watch is a great option. Plus, the price point is pretty sweet. It's definitely more budget-friendly than some of the high-end fitness trackers on the market. Alright guys, that's my honest review of the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you looking for a feature-packed powerhouse or a stylish companion to keep you moving? And if you're interested in seeing this watch in action with some different workouts, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech adventures.